Alright guys, so today I'm working on my NC Miata, and this is a 2008 Grand Touring. I'm putting LED low beam headlights in, and I've noticed it's a pain in the ass because when you get the LEDs for them, the little collars that come on them, these ones, they don't fit properly in the hole here. So in order to fix that, I used these rubber hose washers from Ace Hardware. They're for like garden hose stuff. Use 3 of them on each collar to space out the spring here. I'll show you in a second. So when you take this off, pop that out. Here's your factory light bulb, your H7 bulb with a spacer from the factory. Put that to the side. Get your collar with the 3 hose washer things. Line it up like that. This spring here, I had to push it in just a tad just to get it over there. It's fine, don't worry. Lock it in place like that. Take your new LED bulb, line it with the little notches and turn it sideways like so, and it's done, installed. I also decided to trim up the little rubber dust cover. Just cut this little piece out. If you're wondering which bulbs I went with, I've had really good luck with aux beam. I've had them on some of my Toyotas and Hondas, so I decided to use it on my Mazda. And low beam's installed. LED. Here's the old halogen. See how yellow and disgusting it is?